For today's Tesla Model 3 video, I am going to be installing and sharing with you guys a new screen for your Tesla Model 3, the rear seat. Look at this big screen. It's so crazy. You can control the whole music system with this thing, including the equalizer. You can browse web. It's got Apple CarPlay. It's got the Google Store so that you could actually download games. You could control the air conditioning. You could even put a thumb drive in here and watch a video from your thumb drive. It's a touchscreen, so the games like Ninja Fruit, for example, you could actually touch it and just play games on it. The Tesla Model S and X, they both have rear screen monitors. I'm not really sure what they do since I don't own the expensive Teslas, but I'm super excited that this will give our Tesla Model 3 an upgrade that it so deserves. All right guys, so I'm gonna unbox it, install it, and tell you guys all about it. Check this out. So I'm super excited to open this Tillard's Model 3 Model Y rear screen. Climate control / video game multimedia system. So I know that this is a lot easier to install than some of the previous rear climate control. As you can see, it has a tool to open up the backside and one cable, guys. You know how easy and quick this is gonna be? Yes, I'm super excited about that. All right, guys, let's see how this looks. Open this up. Okay. Oh my gosh, there it is. Let's go ahead and leave this on so that way we could take it out at the very end, but you can see that it's got a connection for multimedia. It's got regular USB-A fast charging, and it also has USB-C connector right there. Let's go ahead and leave that up and we'll install it. This one, you could just pull it out. So that's the cool thing about this piece. Pop it out, there you go. That easy, that easy. It's a USB connector that you're unhooking. So let's take that and put this away. And just pull, simple as that. Two little screws. All right, and just to let you guys know, guys, it doesn't void your warranty. I know a lot of people are afraid of it, but Tesla has made this car so that you can actually add accessories. You see this blue connector? Tesla put 3 of them for the 2022 model. Here, one on driver's side, one on passenger side. The ones in the front, they're not even plugged into anything. They want you to just plug your accessories in there. So thank you, Elon Musk, for being so nice and giving. Okay, just pull it. How about I just leave it like this? There you go. Just push that. You just push that little clicker right here. And then you push it out with your finger. Don't pull on that wire for sure. I mean, it looks pretty strong, but I ain't even taking a chance with that. All right, male to female. Female to male. Boom, connect that. And then pull. There you go. Nice and tight. Maybe you get joy out of giving your passengers some joy. Oh, especially if you're using your Tesla Model 3 for Uber and Lyft, and you're giving your passengers some games and access to play music. Good Lord, that's luxury right there, boy. There you go. Done. Can't believe how easy this is to install. The previous one was easy too, but you know, you had to get the wire to the car seat so you could control the car seat. But this one, they just said, screw it, that's not worth the extra effort. Let's make it easier for the consumers to install, and let's just take out the seat control. Anybody can install this, so don't be intimidated for sure. Let me go ahead and connect the USB connector. Snap, crackle, pop. All right, now we got this guy here. Simple as this. Yes. Boom. That easy, guys. That easy. Let's go ahead and tuck this guy. Boom. There it is. That's it. That was so easy, guys. Oh my God. I love how easy it is to install. I mean, with cars, regular cars, I can't even install car stereos. I was way too intimidated for something like that. But for your Tesla, look how easy they make it. Yeah, I'm going to unveil, guys. I'm going to now I don't even know if that's even the right word. I'm going to peel off the sticker and reveal. Oh my God, so much. I'm horrible. So I'm going to peel the sticker and reveal recording. Let's go take a look. Hello, mamacita. That is beautiful, guys. Good Lord. You have to look at it to really appreciate it for sure. Okay, let's go over through what's in here. And then, yeah, let's have fun with it. Everything that you can do with this screen back here, so amazing. All right, so let's kind of mess around with it. So this also reflects the big screen that's in the front as well too. So you're gonna get like battery percentages, but let's go over all of it. All right, so, oh my God, this design is so nice. That's the media control on the left-hand side. So we're gonna try to change that over here. Push that icon right there. Look at that. Ooh, the response. The response is so smooth. Like, you could tell how expensive an item is by how smooth it goes left and right. When you touch something and it's responsive, you know that they got some decent processing power in there. So you got, tells you how much battery in case your passenger needs to know how much power you have in your Tesla. Let's go work on our internet. So you want to connect to Wi-Fi first. You guys need to connect the Bluetooth with your car so that you could play audio from this device. Bluetooth icon. Let's connect. Add new device. Start search. BT966. And then let that sink in. Alright, confirm. Alright, let's go and connect my movie in there. Push video. The audio is coming out from the car. I love this. This is so cool. And it's got Bluetooth connection too. So if you, as a driver, don't want to hear the audio, your passenger, your kids could just have like a Bluetooth headset and they could just listen to it quietly. Let's see it. Amazing. Look at all those games you could download. It's so crazy. And all those apps, all the fun apps. Your kids and your passengers could have endless amount of fun. I like the wallpaper. When it times out, it gives you the time and the date. That's really neat. So I do love having this display monitor. It's one of the best accessories to get. I mean, I don't normally say that. I have a bunch of accessories for my car, but this one is the one to get, especially if you are a Lyft or an Uber driver and you want to give the people in the back some entertainment, some videos, movies, music control, air conditioning control, multimedia, search the internet, all that good stuff. Then hook them up. This looks so dope, and it just gives your car an extra upgrade for the 2023. So I'm gonna put the discount code link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much. I love you guys for that. And if you guys watched it all the way through, you are so awesome. If you guys haven't yet, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time.